Here we have the 2014 Jaguar XJL V6 rear wheel drive, and we're doing the oil change. Seems to be very straightforward. You don't even have to lift this car up because it has a pipe that you can just easily suck out the oil. Anyway, this is the manual, and in here specifically tells you that you can use the Jaguar SAE0W20 engine oil, STJLR 0.51.5122, which turns out to be this one right here. That is the Castro Edge, specifically engineered for Jaguar. Rip off, but no big deal. It's only $1 extra in my area. But anyway, so as we can see from, it's funny, the owner's manual, you can use 5W20 or you could use the 0W20, and in here tells you Castro 5W20. So a little inconsistency, but it's no big deal. Anyway, so this wonderful engine, the supercharged V6 again. Take this out, engine cover. The idea is just with this pipe right here, we can just put a oil pump or suction pump and just simply suck it out. Oops, here you go. Excuse the sun, but anyway, and this is the filter element, and that's it. You don't even have to lift it up. This is very straightforward. So let me get to it, and I'll give you an update as I go.